Welcome to this Easy Tech channel, and we will talk about a little something coming up in Android 11. So in Android, one of the things that, of course, is always been a little different is the chat. When you actually do chats, we, of course, had a way of chatting in the different apps and the messaging apps. But it was not, it's never been as nice and good as, say, Facebook Messenger, for example, that has these nice chat bubbles and the way that the little bubbles will actually pop up on the side. So, for example, if you're on Facebook Messenger, you have this little pop-up that shows up that says, hey, that friend is chatting with you right now. And you can, click on it and get a full screen or app and chat and have the settings and everything you need, which is not the case in Android 10. You text, you see a little something saying, hey, somebody just chatting with you, but once that little bubble popped up with your text messaging, it disappears, and it, of course, you have a notification that you've got some kind of text message. In Android 10, we were expecting the chat bubbles to be there for the first time, and they didn't appear. They are now coming to Android 11. That means when you text message in Android 11, you'll have the same capabilities as Facebook Messenger. Instead of just a notification and a little line of text that appears to say that if somebody's talking with you, you'll have a little chat bubble that's going to actually appear, and it's going to tell you that you can, click on it. You don't have to open it. You can actually just answer from the chat bubble without having a full screen chat app open, for example. But it is a new way of actually doing it. And I think that's good because a lot of us, I kind of enjoy that feature of having a little bubble of chat that you just click on. Because it's easy to have chat appear at the top, then it disappears, and it's easy to actually forget that somebody actually texted you. And it happened to me a few times. I started looking at my phone, it's like, oh, it's blinking. The light is blinking to say there's a notification of something, and then I notice somebody texted me 2 hours ago. Forgot to answer back. With a chat bubble, you have that chat bubble on the screen visible all the time, as long as you don't either remove it or answer. So you easily see every time you look at your screen that somebody is texting you. So these are some of the new features coming in the Android 11 operating system for, of course, phones and tablets. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.